Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Iowa, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Iowa, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the step in this video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. This is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all informations about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and articles. It's so easy. Now, we should click this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can get all information about best cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Binance Coin, and others. And news. Now, we need information about Bitcoin. We should push this button, information. In this page, we can get all informations about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Get BTC button, right there. Let's go.